In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to share your live location on WhatsApp. Go to your WhatsApp and go to the chat or conversation. From conversation, tap on this attachment icon. Tap on location. And to share your live location, tap on share live location and select duration. So you can share your live location from 15 minutes up to 8 hours. In my case, I'm selecting here 15 minutes. And in this comment box, you can just write a comment or you can just write something here and tap on send. And we can see my live location is now sharing. And if you wish to stop your live location sharing, just tap on this stop sharing option. And that's how you can actually do it.